In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Pinterest to refine your recommendations and manage your activity history. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or just getting started, this guide will help you tailor your Pinterest experience to better align with your interests. First off, we're going to start by opening a web browser and heading over to the Pinterest website. Simply type Pinterest into your search bar and it should pop right up. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already done so. Enter your login credentials and let's dive right in. It's really important to make sure you're signed in to your own account, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This will ensure that your activities and preferences remain personal and secure. Now that you're logged in, our next step is to go to your profile. You can typically find this by looking for a small icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to your profile overview. This area displays your boards, saved pins, and any other activity you might have engaged with on Pinterest. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how this page is structured, as it can be incredibly useful to know what options are available. Once you're in your profile, let's focus on viewing your profile details. Look for an option that says View Profile. It might be under a drop-down menu linked to your profile icon or prominently placed in your profile overview. Clicking this link will take you to a more detailed view of your Pinterest activities and settings. Within this detailed profile view, you should locate the Edit Profile option. This is where you gain control over the core settings of your Pinterest account. Click on it and you'll notice a variety of settings you can adjust. However, what we're focusing on today is the Refine Your Recommendations section. You'll find it under the Activity category. This area directly influences what appears on your Pinterest feed. Pinterest uses your activity history to tailor recommendations that it believes will interest you. In the Refine Your Recommendations section, you can see a record of your actions, such as searches, pins, and boards visited. More importantly, here you can tweak your preferences and history to adjust what Pinterest suggests to you in the future. Take some time here to explore which of your past activities you'd like Pinterest to consider when generating new recommendations. If there are behaviors in your history that no longer reflect your interests, this is the place to make those adjustments. And that wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you should now have a more customized Pinterest experience that better reflects your current interests and passions. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you feel like your Pinterest feed needs a refresh. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.